Hey guys, it's Big C. Doing some box breaks today. We have a museum collection, precision, a tribute, and then I'll probably go ahead and do the ones from last night, the extra edition, and the limited baseball. So we'll go ahead and get started with the museum collection. Here is the sign-up sheet. This ended on 5/8. And then here is the sign-up sheet. Over. And then the last one. All right, here we go. Again, this is probably my favorite product, and I don't know. Here, let me go ahead and do this. It is May 10th, 6/31. So there is that, and we'll go ahead and get started with the museum collection. Again, this is like kind of one of my favorite products. I really like this stuff. So here we go. I got 4 mini boxes in here. There's those, empty box. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll go ahead and rip them all up, get the packs out. There's pack 1, empty box. Pack 2, empty box. And, well, this one's a light one. Feels like it is there, huh? Maybe not. Pack 3. And the last pack. And pack 4. And let me put this stuff away. Get this all squared up. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck to everybody. The back one. First one's Don Mattingly out of $2.99. And that would be Jay Kunzman. Jay Kunzman 62.
Nathan, I put on here, change the wheel. Huh? You taking him?
He's filming.
Then we have, sorry about that, my mom's in here as I'm filming.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So then we have a Ryan Braun,
Chuck will put all down like that.
Brooks Robinson, Steven Strasburg. And then we have, who is it? Evan Longoria out of 99. And then we have a jumbo of Starlin Castro. And that would be for the Cubs. And the Cubs would be Shane 23 Ethan. Here we go with pack 2. This one up. It's Carl Yastrzemski for Boston, $199. That would be 486673. Got Mike Stanton, Dan Herron, Curtis Granderson, and Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers out of 100. 86 out of 100. That would be a little nick in the corner there. I don't know if that's a nick or if it's just me. Kind of looks like it, but then again, it don't. So that would be Bram Hall 313. So that's a pretty nice autograph. Let's see, I think that one, last one there is the patch. Let's see, pull this one up. We got Jackie Robinson for the Dodgers also, which would be Bram Hall out of 199. Babe Ruth. Evan Longoria, Roberto Alomar, and a 4-way patch. Nice Joey Votto. 25 out of 75, and that would be the Reds. And that's 486673. So, and this last one should be a patch auto. We got Jesus Montero, 62 out of 199 for Seattle, which would be HRC 58 HRC. Josh Hamilton, Joe DiMaggio, Brooks Robinson for the Reds, Canvas collection, not the artist one, and that would be Reds 486673. Then we have a nice patch for Dylan G for the Mets, and that would be MKSD3. That is a nice patch. So there you have it. So that's the museum collection. And again, guys, I appreciate it. Keep checking out my auctions, Big C 2020-14. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big C 2020141. Thanks, guys.